Hi, welcome to Sujata Math Solutions. Today's topic, trigonometric ratio. It is the branches of mathematics that provide relation between sides and angles of the triangle. Okay, we have 6 trigonometric ratios. Those are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, and cosecant theta. These are 6 ratios. In trigonometry, we are using these 6 ratios. Okay. Now, we have to draw the right angle triangle. Okay. From the right angle triangle, see. Triangle ABC, angle B at a right angle. Okay. Here AC, side AC is opposite to right angle. It is called a hypotenuse. It is called a hypotenuse. Means AC is a hypotenuse. Next, here we have to use the theta at angle C or theta at angle A. Sometimes they are giving theta at C, theta at A. Why? Because these two we are using the thetas. Okay, right. And also here if you are using theta at C, means angle at C. Okay, BC, side BC is adjacent to theta. When you are taken here theta at C, here side BC is adjacent to theta, means this is adjacent side, and BC is adjacent side. Adjacent side to theta, and here AB is opposite to theta. Side AB is opposite to theta. That means here AB is opposite side. Opposite side to theta. Right? Now, let us write these 6 ratios how it we forms. Okay. Right. Now, first one is sin C. Why? Because we are taken at C angle. Okay. Right. Now, sin theta. Sin theta means side opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Means side opposite by in shortcut way. Hypotenuse. What is the opposite here? AB. So, AB by AC. Right. Next, cos C. Cos C, side adjacent to hypotenuse. Ratio of cos is side adjacent to hypotenuse. So that adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Next one, tan. Tan C. Tan means actually it is sin theta by cos theta. So, and also side opposite theta by side adjacent theta. Tan ratio is side opposite theta by side adjacent theta. So that opposite by adjacent, that is equal to AB by BC. Next, cot. Cot C, cot is a reciprocal of tan. We will discuss later reciprocals also. Right. Cot theta. Cot means here side adjacent to theta by side opposite to theta. So that adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is BC and opposite side is AB. Right. Next, secant theta means sec theta, sec C. This is the reciprocal of cos. And also here cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Sec theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. So that hypotenuse by adjacent. Here hypotenuse is AC and adjacent is BC. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant C. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine. So that here sine is opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Cosecant is hypotenuse by side opposite to theta. So that hypotenuse by opposite. Here hypotenuse is AC and opposite is here AB. Right. These are angle at C. Okay. Now, if you take angle at A, then sides also will be changed. Yes or no? Here, then when you are taken angle at A, this is side BC is opposite to theta. This is opposite side and here AB is adjacent side. So this is adjacent side. Based on write the ratios of the again 6 ratios. Okay. First sin theta, sin A. Sin A means already opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is BC. BC by AC. BC by AC. Next cos A equal to cos ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC. Right. Next, tan. Tan A. Tan ratio is opposite, side opposite by side adjacent. Means here side opposite theta is BC and the side adjacent theta is AB. Right. Next, cot A. Cot A is reciprocal. Means adjacent, side adjacent theta by side opposite theta. So that AB by BC. Next, secant theta. Secant theta reciprocal of cos. Means actually it is cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Sec theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is AC. Adjacent is AB. Next, cosecant. Cosec A equal to here reciprocal of sine. Means sine opposite and hypotenuse ratio. So that cosecant hypotenuse by opposite. So that AC by BC. These are the ratios. Let us see, we have to write the ratios based on side and at the angle at A based on sides. Let us see relation between 6 ratios. Okay. So here sin theta, cosecant theta. These are reciprocal to each other. Next, cos theta and sec theta reciprocal to each other. Tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal to each other. Means sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta and cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. These two are reciprocal to each other. Okay. Next, and also we have to write here sin theta equal to 1 by cos. Here denominator is 1. If you do the cross multiplication, sin theta into cos theta, sin into cos equal to 1 into 1. Means sin theta into cosecant theta equal to 1. So that sin theta into cosecant theta equal to 1. Later we have to prove that. Now, next one, cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta. Okay. And also secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. These two are reciprocal to each other. And also If you do the cross multiplication, cos theta into secant theta equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. And also, next one, tan theta. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. These cot and tan reciprocal to each other. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Now let us see the relation here. Tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Let us prove this. Already before we draw right angle triangle, and also again write here A, B, C, and angle at 9 B. This is the hypotenuse. If you are taken angle at C, it is the AB is the opposite side and BC is adjacent to theta. Right. Now, sin theta into cos theta. First, we have to prove that sin theta into cos theta equal to 1. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Means what is the opposite side? AB by AC into cos theta is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Means BC by cosecant, not cos. Cosecant theta equal to 1. Cosecant reciprocal of sine. Yes or no? So that here sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Cosecant is hypotenuse by opposite. So that AC by BC. Now AC cancel, BC cancel equal to 1. So that sin theta into cosecant theta equal to 1. Next, cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. That also have to prove. Cos theta ratio is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So that BC by AC into sec theta is a reciprocal. Yes or no? Hypotenuse by adjacent. So AC by BC. Then AC cancel, BC cancel equal to 1. Hence proved that. Next one is tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Tan theta means opposite by adjacent. Here only I am writing opposite means AB by BC. Cot theta is adjacent by opposite into BC. Adjacent is BC, opposite is AB. Then BC cancel, AB cancel 1. So that tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. And also here one more. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Yes or no? Sin theta by cos theta. If you are using here sin theta is opposite. AB by sin theta ratio opposite by hypotenuse. AC whole by cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. BC by AC. Now AC denominator cancel, AB by BC. This AB side, AB is opposite, BC is adjacent. That is the ratio of tan. Now let us say Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem means in a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Here right angle opposite side is a hypotenuse. Okay, and AB and BC are remaining two sides. Okay, so that in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So that AC square equal to what are the remaining hypotenuse? Hypotenuse square equal to sum of remaining two sides means AB square plus BC square. Okay. This is the Pythagoras theorem we are using this. And also in this, out of three sides we know only two sides. Suppose we know A and B, AB and AC. We have to find a BC. Then how to form the this Pythagoras theorem? BC we have to find. Side BC we are finding. So that let it be BC there, and we have to transpose AB square right to left, then it is plus as a minus. That is equal to AC square minus AB square. Okay. If you know only BC and AC, we don't know the AB. So we have to find AB. So AB square equal to AB square, let it be, we have to transpose plus BC square right to left. Then it becomes negative. So that AC square minus BC square. These two we are using in this solution part. Okay, right. Now let us see some more examples also. Here, first question, cos A equal to 3 by 5. Right. Then we have to find the tan A. Here already we discussed before ratio of 6 trigonometrics. Yes or no? So cos theta, actually cos A means angle at A. That is very important. So they have given here A. If you are using here, you will get the wrong answer. So that whatever they mention in the question, at A or C, you have to use theta there only. Okay. Based on theta, we have to write the sides. Here, AB is adjacent to theta. So it is the adjacent side. First of all, write the sides also. And BC is opposite. Yes or no? The right angle opposite is hypotenuse. Now, ratio of cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent AB? So, here, now I am writing here, first one, solution. Cos A equal to 3 by 5. Means cos ratio is adjacent to by hypotenuse. Yes or no? So that here adjacent side is 3, adjacent side is 5. We need to find opposite side BC. So that what formula we have to use BC, no? We have to use that. These two we have to obtain by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So BC square equal to, what is the formula here? AC square minus AB square. Then BC square equal to AC square is, here AC is 5. Means 5 square minus AB is 3. 3 square. Now, BC square equal to 5 5s are 25. 5 square means 5 multiplies itself 2 times. That means 5 5s are 25 minus 3 3s are 9. Here square becomes square root. Right. Now, then BC equal to 25 minus 9. 16. 16 is square of 4. So, square root to cancel 4. Therefore, BC, side BC equal to 4. Already we know here side BC, opposite side. Then we have to write, they are given only tan theta. We have to find remaining also. So that tan A equal to, what is the ratio of tan? Opposite by adjacent. Here, what is the opposite side? 4, and the adjacent side is AB. So that 3. AB is 3. So tan A is 4 by 3. Next question is 5 cos theta equal to 4. Then tan theta. So that here they mentioned theta. We have to use here or here, anywhere. Why? Because they didn't mention A or C. Okay, we have to use anywhere. So already I kept here adjacent opposite. No? So let it be. By doing this, we have to find. So second question, 5 cos theta equal to 4. Here we don't know the ratio here. They have given as question 5 cos theta equal to 4. Okay. As for this question, we want only cos theta. So let it be cos theta here and the transpose 5. 5 into cos theta. So 5 we have to transpose left to right. Already 5 is in the position of into. Into as a divided by. So that 4 by 5. What is the cos theta ratio? Adjacent to by opposite. Hypotenuse. Yes or no? So adjacent is here 4. Adjacent plus 4, no? So it is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. What we need to find out? BC. Again we have to use the formula BC square equal to AC square minus AB square. This only we have to use there. Okay. Now substitute the value there. BC square equal to AC square is 5. 5 5s are 25 minus here what is the AB square? 4. 4 4s are 16. I don't write it directly. Why? Because somebody cannot understand. 5 square minus 4 square and BC equal to 5 square as 25 minus 4 square as 16. Square becomes square root. That is equal to BC equal to 25 minus 16 9. Square root of 9. 9 is the square of 3. So here square root cancel, 3 left over. So opposite side is 3. Then write what they are asking, tan theta. So therefore tan theta equal to, tan theta means opposite by adjacent. Yes or no? So here opposite is 3, adjacent is 4. 3 by 4. That is the correct answer. See the next question here. 4 cot A equal to 3. Then the value of sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A. That means here cot ratio has given. Indirectly what is the question? Third one, no? 4 cot A equal to 3. We have to form the ratio. So cot theta, cot A equal to 3 by, we have to transpose 4 left to right. It is into 4 into, so that into position becomes by. Now write the ratio. Cot ratio is adjacent to by opposite. This is very important. Whatever the ratio has given, you have to write the sides. Based on ratio, you have to write the sides. Then only solve the question. Right. Now, by the question, what is that? Cot A, theta at A only. That means here this is the adjacent side. It is opposite. Okay. So adjacent is 3. Means AB is 3. Opposite is 4. We need to find the hypotenuse first. Why? Because we know only 2 sides. We have to find the remaining one. Third side. Third side unknown is AC. Hypotenuse. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Here hypotenuse only we don't know. So that we need to find a hypotenuse first. So AC square equal to AB square. What is the AB? 3. So 3 square plus BC is 4. Means 4 square. That is equal to AC equal to 3 3s are 9 plus here 4 4s are 16. Square becomes square root. That is equal to 25. 9 plus 16 equal to 5. 25. 25 also can write a 5 square. That is equal to 5 5 cancel 5. So AC is 5. Now how to write a ratio of sine cos we need. So that first of all, sine A. Sin A means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is what? 4. 4 by 5. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. 3 by 5. These two we have to substitute in the finding value. Right? So that sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A, that is equal to sin A is 4 by 5 and cos A is plus cos A is 3 by 5. Here sin A is 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5, that is equal to, here compare this numerator part also fraction, denominator also fraction. We have to simplify numerator separate and denominator separate. Now compare the numerator part 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Yes or no? In these two fraction having same denominator means like fractions these two are. So like fractions means we have to write a denominator as it is and there compare the numerators here addition plus sign, so that when the denominators are equal, add their numerators. So 4 plus 3 is 7. By here also same thing. Compare to denominator part, these two are fractions. In this denominator part fractions, 5 here 4 and 3. 4 is numerator, 5 is denominator. 3 is numerator, 5 is denominator. Right. Here also denominators are equal. Just compare the numerators. Minus sign. So 4 minus 3, 1. So 1 by 5. 5 cancel. 7 by 1 equal to 7 only. So that the value of sin A plus cos A by sin A minus cos A equal to 7. Next, see the fourth question. Fourth question. See, this is four questions compared to these four questions in different directions. Yes or no? So 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta equal to 1. First of all, given this is like expression, this we have to get into ratio form. Okay. 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta equal to 1. Now we have to transpose minus cos 4 cos theta left to right when we are transposing minus as a plus. 3 sin theta equal to 4 cos theta. Now we have to transpose cos theta right to left and the 3 is left to right by transposing sin theta by into as a by. So cos theta equal to 4. Only cos theta we are transposing. Okay. In left side 3 we are transposing left to right. So it becomes by. Now sin by cos is a tan. So tan theta. So what is the tan theta ratio? 4 by 3 no? Here sin by cos is a tan. No? Tan theta equal to 4 by 3. Tan theta ratio is opposite to by adjacent. Right? Right. Here they didn't mention only AR angle, we have to use ARC. That is our wish. Why? Because they kept a theta. So we are using theta at C. Then it is the BC as the adjacent side, AB as the opposite side. Right. Opposite side what is that? 4. Adjacent is 3. We need to find a hypotenuse. Right. So that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square equal to AB square means 4. 4 square plus 3 square. Now AC equal to square becomes square root 4 4s are 16 plus 3 3s are 9 equal to 25. Square root of 25. 25 is the square of 5. So that 5 square. Square root to cancel is 5. So hypotenuse is 5. Right? Now we have to find 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. So that we have to write a sin ratio and a cos ratio. Here I am writing sin theta. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Next, cos theta equal to adjacent. Cos theta ratio adjacent by hypotenuse. So here adjacent is 3, hypotenuse is 5. These two values we have to substitute here. Okay. So here 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. So that 3 into sin theta is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 plus 4 into cos theta is 3 by 5. Now 3 4s are 12. 12 by 5 plus here 3 4s are 12. 12 by 5. Here also denominators are equal. So these two are like fractions. When the denominator are equal, add their numerators. So that 12 plus 12 by 5, that is equal to 24 by 5. By doing division, 24 by 5 value is 4.8. So that here the value is 4.8. Okay. Right. Thank you, friends.